Okay, this is the compressor, and the only thing you need to fix right now is this thing here. This is this cover here. The knot is not tightened, so you have to find this cover. That's the only thing you need. Once you find this cover, you're good to go. It's a new compressor, brand new I bought. So they're just servicing it, and the servicing this thing couldn't tie it again. It's a brand new compressor. I bought it at 200 and I bought it at 200 and I bought it at 120,000 naira, and all of a sudden it got bad. So if you want to buy it, opportunity for you. Everything is clean.